Sorry, I'll make weird noises. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Christmas card for any of your family members. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to go in your browser and type canva.com and click and enter. And you need to sign up and then, yeah, it'll look like this. And we'll click on create and you want to say Christmas cards. And you want to click on the first one that pops up. And then it'll give you to this. So now what you want to do is you want to search for an example, Christmas card for your mum. And you're going to see some ones alright, but you want to do your own, don't you? Obviously. So that's why I made the video, obviously. So what you want to search, so I think, here's my idea. I want the background to be a Christmassy red. So a bright red. And what I want and I want some like white sparkles. But I don't want the background. So it's pretty hard what my idea is. But I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, so here's a good idea. What I'm doing. So, and then you want to widen it. So you can place background. And then it'll look like that. So this is what I'm trying to do. Because I think that's quite a good idea. Now, what else I want to do is that I want to say a big text box that says Merry Christmas. That's not just gonna, oh yeah, I spelled it wrong. I forgot that A. And yeah, it's not gonna just look like that again. I think we should put that top, and then I'm gonna click on display. So what are some good fonts? I'm gonna scroll for a bit. No, yes, I like that. But I'm gonna increase sizes. Merry Christmas, and then there's gonna be another text. So there's mum, and you can do anything on your mum. So for example, nanny, dad, yeah. And Merry Christmas, mama. That's how I spell it. Okay. And then I think there should be like, and then I think another good idea is that there should be some like Santa hats. A Santa hat. Santa hats. And you can Santa hats. And you're going to be wondering how I do this, but when you know, you're going to get the idea. And there's going to be some other Santa hats, like I said, for the trillionth time. And then Santa And yeah, pretty simple. This is what I call a simple Christmas card for your mum. And then you can say from, and then you can say your name, any name. So I'm going to say from son, from son. And then it's going to look like that. Now you want to click on print with Canva and it will show what it will look like. Now that does not look too bad, let's be honest. I think your mum would love that. Okay, she'll love anything you do. So if you want, you can copy that and like screenshot it. So yeah, I'll leave it like that. And guys, comment down below what I should do next. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.